हेलो गाइस। तो आज का चैप्टर वही है द नेशनल मूवमेंट एंड महात्मा गांधी। पहले जो मैंने अपलोड किया था वो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन के ऊपर था और ये क्वेश्चन बैंक का जो क्वेश्चन है वो मैंने सॉल्व किया है। तो ये दो पार्टों में अपलोड करूँगी, पार्ट 1 आज। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन एंड वेयर वाज गांधी जी born? What was his full name? Answer, Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Kathiawar, Gujarat. Full stop. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay. Number 2. Name the movement and its purpose which he started in South Africa. Answer. Gandhiji started the National Indian Congress in South Africa against racial discrimination. Number 3. Why did Gandhiji appeal to the people to help the British Empire with men and money during the First World War? Answer. He had a strong faith that India would be free only when the people helped the British Empire at such a critical juncture. ये है नंबर 3. Number 4. Mention the reason why Gandhiji in his struggle for freedom evolved the method of non-violence. Answer. Gandhiji knew that Indians were not strong enough to get freedom by any physical force. Only non-violence was the weapon to defeat the British imperialism. Number 4. Number 5. What is meant by Satyagraha? Answer. Satyagraha means the force born out of truth and non-violence. Number 6. When and why did Gandhiji organize the Champaran Satyagraha in Bihar? Answer. Gandhiji organized the Champaran Satyagraha in 1917 in Bihar to fight for the right of the farmers against indigo planters. Number 7. What is meant by Swadeshi? Answer. Swadeshi means use of the goods produced within one's country and by one's countrymen. Number 8. When did the Congress decide to start the non-cooperation movement? Who was the leader of this movement? Answer. Congress decided to start the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Full stop. Gandhiji was the leader of that movement. Number 9. Why was the Rowlatt Act 1919 passed? Answer. The Rowlatt Act 1919 was passed to counter all political unrest which manifested itself in many situations. 10. Who was the British general responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer. General Dyer. बस ये इतना ही है. जनरल डायर. ये इस क्वेश्चन का है. यहाँ पे जगह शॉर्ट था तो स्टार मार्क देके मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया है, तो वो उस पर आऊँगी. तो नेक्स्ट, what do you understand by the term non-cooperation? Answer. For the smooth functioning of any government, the willing cooperation of the people is essential. Full stop. The strategy of not extending such cooperation to the government for the good, then ये जो स्टार मार्क करके लिखा था, will of the people of the country is non cooperation movement. तो क्या था? तो यहाँ था for the good will of the people of the country is non cooperation movement. Next question. Number 12. When and where was the resolution to start the non-cooperation movement launched? The resolution to start the non-cooperation movement was launched in its Nagpur session on August 15, 1920. ये यहाँ तक ही है, तो जगह कमी थी 13 के क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखने में, तो ये मैंने स्टार मार्क करके यहाँ लिख दिया है। तो आते हैं नंबर 13. Why was the civil disobedience movement of March 1930 withdrawn? Answer. The famous Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Okay. The famous Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in March 1931. Gandhiji agreed to suspend the civil disobedience movement. Full stop. The British government was agreed to release all political prisoners except those guilty of violence and to withdraw the ordinances promulgated during the movement. The government permitted manufacturing of salt for personal use and promised to return the congressmen their confiscated properties. So next question, number 14. Why is the Khilafat movement significant in the history of the national movement? Answer. Khilafat movement is significant in the history of the national movement because it contained vast possibilities of achieving Hindu-Muslim unity and of putting up a joint front against British imperialism. Number 15. Why was Swaraj Party organized and by whom? Answer. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das organized the Swaraj Party. They were of the opinion that the congressmen should stand for election to the legislative councils. Next, number 16. Give two offshoots of the political excitement created by protest against the Simon Commission. Answer. The Nehru Report and the demand for Purna Swaraj were the two offshoots of the political excitement created by protest against the commission. Number 17. When and where was resolution of complete independence Purna Swaraj passed? Answer. The resolution of complete independence Purna Swaraj was passed at the annual session of the Congress held at Lahore in December 1929. Number 18. What is the historical importance of 26th January 1930? Answer. The historical importance of 26th January 1930 is that on this day, the first Independence Day was celebrated in Calcutta. Number 19. What did the program of civil disobedience consist of? Answer. The program of civil disobedience consisted of non-violent satyagraha, boycott of schools, colleges, courts and foreign goods, breaking of salt laws and no tax campaigns. 20. When and by whom was the civil disobedience movement launched? Answer. Civil disobedience movement started on 12 March 1930 with Gandhiji's famous Dandi March. 21. Why was the Dandi March important in the history of the national movement? Answer. The Dandi March was important in the history of the national movement because as a result of this movement, the British administration was put out of gear in many places. तो आज के लिए इतना ही.